Assalamualaikum and hi to our beloved CEO of NBCO Laboratories Nurhazeera, Board of Directors, and fellow colleagues. My name is Nurhazeera binti Bolhan. The Laboratory Director cum Quality Manager will be honored to present the new additional tasks that our laboratory are offering in 2021. Firstly, let me start with an introduction. Our laboratory is equipped with the modern state-of-the-art technology equipment and operated by registered medical laboratory technologists and researchers with many years of professional industry experience. We are offering high-quality technical services in the clinical diagnostic field to clients from various fields comprising of healthcare and veterinary sector. Without further ado, I would like to introduce you the new diagnostic test that we are offering in 2021, which is immunophenotyping test and total serum bilirubin, known as TSB. The first test that we want to introduce you is a flow cytometry, known as immunophenotyping test. Flow means cell in motion, cyto means cells, and metry means measure. Flow cytometry is a laboratory method used to detect, identify, and count specific cells. This method can only identify particular components within cells. This information is based on physical characteristics and/or markers called antigen on the cell surface or within cells that are unique to that cell type. In other words, we can say it's for measuring multiple physical and chemical properties of cells while in fluid stream. It is a quantitative and qualitative analysis. This is very expensive and sophisticated technologies used to increase leap from research to clinical laboratories. The methodology of test. This quantitative fluorescence analysis was performed using a multiparametric flow cytometry analyzer of Batman culture. The values were determined as cells or microliter of blood expressing a particular phenotypes. The single platform method was used to determine absolute counts. This procedure employed an internal standard of fluorescence microbeads. The instruments involved in immunophenotyping tests are laboratory, freezer or refrigerator, biosafety cabinet type 2, tabletop centrifuge, fax slurry or fax cantor, and also mixer. This is the immunophenotyping of procedure flow. tests are total serum bilirubin. Total serum bilirubin, known as a TSB, is a POCT test. The total serum bilirubin, known as a TSB, is a measure the amount of substance called bilirubin. This test is used to find out how well your liver is working. It is often part of a panel of tests that measure liver function. A small amount of bilirubin in your blood is normal, but a high level may be a sign of liver disease. Usually, the total serum bilirubin used for the neonatal screening. As I said just now, the TSB is a POCT test. POCT test is a point-in-care testing, which is using the methodology of test of a direct spectrophotometric method. The direct spectrophotometric method for the measurement of bilirubin in sera from newborns is a simple and rapid method that requires minimal sample for analysis. The dilute serum and measure absorbent at 445 nm. The measure absorbent at 575 nm to correct for hemoglobin interference. The instruments that involve in total serum bilirubins are laboratory refrigerator, dual wavelength total bilirubin meter for neonates, and also distiller for the distilled water that we use for blank. This is the workflow of total serum bilirubin that we use in the laboratory. Thank you.